Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you how to use user input in Python. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, you have to use user input in Python. So for that, first you have to create a variable. So the variable name will be name is equal name then equal then input. So guys, now here I'm going to write here what is your name. So guys, now if I open this, then guys, here you can see what is your name. So guys, I'm going to type here Satyam. Then guys, if I click on enter, then guys, here you can see nothing happens. So guys, I'm going to print my name here. So guys, for that I'm going to type here print your name is then plus the name. What is your name? Satyam Misra. Then guys, here you can see your name is Satyam Misra. So guys, don't forget to put a space here. So guys, if you don't put a space here, then between these two words, a space will be not displayed. So guys, now I'm going to create a basic calculator. So for that, first I'm going to comment this. So guys, after commenting this, so guys, first of all I'm going to create a variable. So the variable name will be num is equal to. So guys, in the variable I'm going to type here input then enter number. So guys, after typing this, then I'm going to create another variable num2. So guys, I'm going to name this variable num1. And now guys, if I type in input enter another number. So guys, now here you can see I have created these two variables. So guys, now I'm going to create another variable. So the variable name will be x. X is equal to num1 plus num2. So guys, now if I print x, then guys, here you can see. So I'm going to type here 1, then second number will be 3. Then guys, here you can see this is showing 12, but the sum of 1 and 2 is 3. Then guys, this is showing wrong answer. But guys, here you can see this is a string, so that's why it's showing wrong answer. So we need to convert this into integer. For that I'm going to put here an integer. So guys, for that you have to get a real number. Then guys, you have to put here integer. Now guys, if I open this again, then if you enter number, then guys, here you can see the sum of these number is 3. So guys, don't forget to write here int. So this means integer. So guys, now that's it for now. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, now if you want to get more programming and computer related video, then guys, please subscribe to this channel and yes, press the bell icon. So now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.